Hello and welcome everyone to the official kickoff meeting for our Liftware project. I want to start this meeting by expressing how excited we are to be a part of this amazing project that has the opportunity to drastically improve so many people's lives with this amazing new product. Let's begin with our meeting agenda and mainly with our vision, because we believe it is important to reinforce our overall vision and ensure that all the projects we work on are aligned with this vision. We will then highlight our past achievements and in order to set a benchmark for a successful project and also set the expectations for our forthcoming projects. We'll then dive in a little bit deeper into the Liftware project, analyzing the problem we're solving and how we're making a difference, and then presenting both products to be first developed. We'll then introduce the team working on the project launch and guidelines and expectations for the project. We'll continue the project timeline and end with the next steps. Our Google X vision is to create radical new technologies to solve some of the world's hardest problems. Under our vision, all our projects must fall under our three pillars. 1. Address a big problem. 2. Propose a radical solution. And 3. Employ relatively feasible technology. Worth mentioning are our past achievements that include some extraordinary projects, amongst which I would mention the self-driving cars, Google Smart Glasses, kites that can generate electricity, or balloons that can deliver internet in the most remote areas of the globe. Our new project is called Liftware. The big problem it addresses. A 2014 study from Roche shows that more than 10 million people worldwide are affected by muscle tremor and Parkinson's disease. Our company's goal is to help people with muscle problems, hand tremors, or limited hand and arm mobility. We will try to achieve all the above with the help of our product, which uses a self-stabilizer handle attachment that can be used on forks or spoons. Initially, we're planning to develop two similar products, but with slightly different applications. Liftware Steady is an assistive device for hand tremor. This device uses an advanced sensor and motor-based cancellation technology in order to make the spoon or fork shake about 70% less than the hand of the user. The other product, it's called Liftware Level. This one is created for people with limited hand and arm mobility, like people suffering from cerebral palsy, for example. The advanced sensor and motor-based self-leveling technology inside the mechanism will allow the utensil to stay level at all time, regardless of how the hand twists, bends, and moves. Introducing our team, we'll begin with our CEO, Astro Teller, has a great expertise in the field of intelligent technology. John Smith is our CFO, and we have Professor Vicky Villone, PhD, as our project manager. We have also brought on our team our three best engineers, Natalie Sanchez, Redia Demisi, and Tiberiu Hrab, for their expert knowledge. Our project goal is to successfully launch our two products within 18 months, using our 6 members, and to fit within our $1.2 million budget. The project manager and the engineers will meet on a weekly basis for about 2 hours. The time of the meeting is set for now for Wednesday at 10 a.m. Eastern Time. And once a month, the entire team will meet. This is set for the first Monday of every month at 10 a.m. to discuss project progress. For our project, we are expecting a truly open and transparent environment. This is based on trust and communication between the team members, and we're expecting to escalate unforeseen challenges and risks and establish approval processes. Our team will have to agree to all these expectations. The timeline presented here shows the general duration of the project and approximate milestones for the 3 main phases of the project, and a further breakdown of the phases into 10 more detailed ones. Taken from here on our next steps, we'd first need all the team members to sign the expectation agreement. Once this complete, Professor Villon will proceed with creating the project charter for all the team to review and sign. The project manager and engineers will attend Wednesday's meeting to review timeline and plan the roles and responsibilities for the period to come. And based on this meeting, the project manager will plan the monthly report meeting for the CEO and CFO. At this point, please let me know if you have any questions or any feedback on this kickoff meeting. If not, I would like to conclude this meeting by thanking everyone present and express my excitement to work with you on this truly exciting and potentially life-changing project for so many people. Thank you.